Hey guys, Scott with Interon here. Just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about a follow-up on last week's video. Last week we talked about getting Windows operating a little bit quicker, the defrag, deleting temp files, and so on. As I guess a little bit of bonus, I want to talk to you guys about getting the computer to actually boot up faster. And to get that to boot up faster, what we used to do before Windows 10 is we would click on the Start button, click on msconfig, and get that running. As you can see, we'll switch over to the web or the desktop now and minimize all this. Click on your Start button and then just type msconfig. And now you'll notice msconfig still works, but the Startup tab is now empty. The problem with that is now you need to go to the Task Manager. You can do it right from here, like so, or you have a couple of other options. You can click on Control-Alt-Delete and you'll see an option for Task Manager, or you can just click at the bottom on your Start button or on your taskbar. You can right click on that, click on Task Manager, and now you see your Start button, your Startup tab right there. Now here you see a list of all the programs that are either enabled or disabled. You can pretty much go through safely and disable all of this stuff, and that's going to make your computer start up faster, it will run faster, and so on. The problem is some stuff's going to break, and I'll let you know what's going on with that. Every time you install a printer, it's probably going to put something in your startup right here so that you can talk to your printer and print stuff out. That's going to be a problem. If you install antivirus, that might break your antivirus. And also, I'm hoping you guys are backing up to the cloud like I am right here, Microsoft OneDrive. If you disable that and you've got that running, once you disable that and restart your computer, that's not going to start up automatically. You're not going to be syncing up your files with the internet, and that's kind of a bad thing. So what you can always do is you can go through, you can right click on any one of these and disable, and that won't take effect until you reboot your computer the next time. But once you do, you'll notice your computer starts up quite a bit quicker. Go through, if you have a problem, make sure that you've got your antivirus still working. You haven't, like the Avast Tray or AVG or McAfee. Make sure you don't disable those. But if you do have a problem, it's not the end of the world. Go back to your Task Manager, click on the Startup tab, and you'll be able to go back in and right click on any one of these and enable those again. So just wanted to give you that heads up. If any of this was over your head or you just don't want to be bothered with that, I'm available for hire. I will go ahead and have an address at the top of the video that you can type in, take you to my website, and you guys can contact me. I'd be glad to help out. That's it for today, guys. Talk to you soon.